Come live the dream and make a great move. The 2-car attached garage. This home features a full 1-year home warranty. This wonderful home has over 2,400 square feet of living area, built in 2006 on 1.32 acres with a 2-story pole barn that is heated. Notice the open floor plan, great room, and tall vaulted ceilings. The kitchen has oak cabinetry and includes all appliances, including a natural gas range. The private master bedroom suite features a unique built-in headboard, large walk-in closet, and a full bath with shower. There are 2 more bedrooms and another full bathroom on the main floor. Enjoy your summer afternoons on this screen porch. You will enjoy the convenient first floor laundry. The lower level is beautifully completed with a family room that features a natural gas fireplace, recessed lighting, a 4th bedroom, playroom, and a storage area. This home is located within a mile from town. This home features a full 1-year home warranty. Come live the dream and make a great move. Call today for a private showing.